All right, I'm back. 3-month break from trading and posting on YouTube of my journey, but I needed to get right before 2025, so I did my best to figure out what kind of trader I was, and I figured out that I'm a scalper, and so here are my scalps for the beginning of 2025. So right around here, get in on my first trade. Right here is where I closed it. Bit of profit. Then I get in again, switch my scalp up. Then I think right here is where I got stopped out. Yeah, right there. Another trade, tried to go short again. Right here is where I got stopped. Bam. That's 1 win and 2 losses. Where I show my orders, my loss for the day. So here's January 6th. First trade of the day. A pretty good trade to start off the day. Started skyrocketing. I thought we were going to keep going. Got a little scary over here. Then I let that trade go red on me. Right there. Started tanking. Okay, so second trade of the day on the January 6th kind of costed me. I wanted to get in a tick above this candle, but unfortunately it didn't happen and I instantly got stopped out. So that was negative for the day. Oh, actually no, it was positive, 450. My fault. So here's the 7th. I think I was scalping this. Yep, quick scalp. Then we just freaking tanked. And then right there we got stopped, we got hit. Scalp that real quick. Got out right there. I think this third trade of the day. Get filled. Yep, we got filled. I think we just started, yeah, we started tanking heavy here. Here is where I wanted to sell half or most of my position and just hold. Sold there. And then put it at break even. We're up really good here on this last contract. Then we reversed up and then I think we got stopped out. Yeah, we got stopped out here. The next trade on this day, got in here, got stopped out right there. Now the next day on the 8th, so I'm getting ready to take a short here, but I didn't record it. I tried to take a long right here. You can see where I entered. I tried to take a long right here, but then my stop was already here and we just got instantly stopped out. So that was my first trade right around here. I tried to long and then I switched to short. We got in short. And, oh yeah, this trade played with us. We were a tick away from profit, and then it instantly reversed. Yeah, right there. That was it. These were the recordings that I recorded on my laptop at work. And, yeah. All right. It was a big pullback, so we're going to get in somewhere here.
Order filled.
We're gonna let this ride. We're going to look at the Hikinashi and just let it ride. This is pretty good, though. Put it at break even right now. Fuck it. Put it thick. Save ourselves. Sell half.
Order filled.
Sell half there. Let one ride. And then if there's another setup that we see, we'll take another. Not much sign of weakness yet. I don't want to move my stop yet until we break these lows.
Stop filled.
Oh, I just got back. Got stopped out on our last contract. So far, we're doing pretty good. I guess I'll just wait for the next setup. If there is one. Might get a setup here. Might, just might.
Order filled.
Oh no!
Order filled.
That's not what I wanted. Shit. Oops.
Order filled.
We're gonna take a quick scalp. Let's go. Come on. 4.5.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Yeah, we're gonna close that out. Yeah, okay. Even though I honestly do want to keep trading, and it's not even 12 o'clock yet, or it's about to be 12 o'clock, I think I'm just going to call it quits for today. Well, just for proof, before the video ends, here's my profits for the week, and you can see it's a live account. Here are my trades for the week. You can see, and yeah, no bullshit. We're locking in 2025. Let's get it.